Okay, so your car doesn't have to be square in shape. If you'd like, you can make the front end of your car narrowed, or you could do the same thing to the back if you wanted to. The way that you'll do that is in your journal, you will copy the measurements of your car so far as it's been cut. This one is 15 centimeters in length and, of course, 7.5 in width. And what you will do is in your journal, plan out the cuts that you're going to make and then make them on the car. I'd like you to get it approved by me before you cut it. Okay? So let's say that you decided you really wanted you wanted sort of a taper in the front like this. Well, you don't just want to haphazardly draw it. You want to make sure you're measuring it correctly, and that's where the graph paper will come in handy. It seems like this is about 6 boxes down and 3 over. So if I do that, if I make a nice line, 3 over and 6 down, I'm going to do the same thing over here. It looks like it's 3 boxes over and 6 down. I'm going to connect this with this. Okay. Then what I can do is take my ruler. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, see, I did it wrong. I did 7. I have to go back and fix that. I'm glad that happened too, because that shows you that when you look at it, you have to make sure it looks, symmetrical. Otherwise, your car will be lopsided. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. Okay. Okay. Now we want to find out about how much of the car would we be cutting off if we do it this way. So, what is the length of that trim that I'm looking to make? It looks like it is about 3.5 centimeters down from the top, and it looks like it's 2 centimeters from the edge. So I want to do the same thing on both sides. I'm going to go over 2 centimeters and down 3.5. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to go over 2 centimeters and down 3.5. And in this way, I'm going to be making really symmetrical cuts to the body of my car. Now, I'm not doing this haphazardly. I'm going to try and do it as carefully as I can so that my car comes out looking even on both sides before I cut. And they always say measure twice and cut once. So I may want to measure it a couple times and look and see. Yeah, that looks like 3.5 on this side and 3.5 on this side. And it looks to be 2 centimeters in from the edge and also 2 centimeters in from the edge. So that's how you could modify the shape of the front of your car if you chose to do so. Okay?